What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're doing an unboxing. No cooking, just an unboxing. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. What we're looking at is the Power XL Family 10 quart edition. Now I've been looking at air fryers for some time and none of them really have inspired me like what I saw when I saw this unit. It has a clear window so I can clearly see what's going on the inside when I'm cooking, unlike any other units on the market. It's 10 quarts, it's still compact, and it comes with a variety of accessories that you can get. Now unfortunately the Canadian version is only sold at one retailer in Canada, and the accessory packs that come inside the box are very different from what is available in the US. So hey, if you're out there in the US and you guys are watching this, send me some type of accessory so I can try out every single thing, because I really want to give you guys a full review. Now what's inside the box is the manual, the 3 racks, the rotisserie. This unit does dehydration, it does baking, cooking. It will pretty much replace 5 or 6 appliances. It has some nice weight to it. Doesn't feel flimsy or cheap by any means. It does come with a high gloss finish, so I want to see how that's going to hold up over time and how easy that is to maintain and clean. But overall, it feels like a solid product. The door, when I opened it, doesn't seem too heavy, doesn't seem too light, just seems to be that right mix. It does come with what's called a tray where you collect your grease, and I'll probably cover that up in foil. I'm going to go right in there so you guys can kind of see what's going on the inside. So it's completely a metal finish on the inside. It looks like it's a curved back, and that probably just helps with the cooking. Now this machine, based off of the specs, is a beast. It's apparently going to help me get rid of about 6 to 7 appliances. It has a dehydration feature, rotisserie feature, baking, you name it, and a whole bunch of easy select buttons because I love easy cooking. So that being said, I'm going to put this to the test. I'm going to be looking at all their information that they provided with this unit. Gave me a couple of recipe books for rotisserie chicken, dehydration, and just normal cooking. So in the next couple videos, I'm going to really put this to the test. I'm going to be cooking anything and everything with it, just to see how good this unit actually is and if it's worth your time. So make sure you follow along and stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time.